Welcome back to the channel. You're watching Zimist Coded. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the taskbar position in Windows 11. Yes, even though Microsoft doesn't officially allow it anymore. Now, if you've recently upgraded to Windows 11, you probably noticed this almost immediately. The taskbar is locked at the bottom of the screen. There's no option to move it to the top, nothing for the left, and nothing for the right either. And if you've been using Windows for years, that feels, let's be honest, very restrictive. A core customization feature many of us relied on was quietly removed during the Windows 11 redesign. But here's the good news. You're not stuck like this. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through a free and reliable tool that brings back that missing customization and allows you to move the taskbar wherever you want. I'll explain everything slowly, clearly, and step by step, so you can follow along without any stress. Before we dive in, if this is your first time here or you haven't subscribed yet, take a quick second to hit the subscribe button. It really helps support the channel and keeps you coming back for more useful Windows tutorials. All right, let's get started. First, I want to show you the limitation in Windows 11 itself, just so you can clearly see what we're dealing with. Go ahead and right-click on an empty area of the taskbar. Then click on Taskbar Settings. Once the Settings page opens, scroll down and expand Taskbar Behaviors. Take a moment to look at the options here. You'll notice the only thing you can change is taskbar alignment, which simply moves the icons to the center or back to the left. There's no option anywhere to move the taskbar itself to the top, left, or right of the screen. And that's exactly the problem we're about to fix. To do that, we'll be using a tool called ExplorerPatcher. ExplorerPatcher is a free, open-source utility designed specifically to restore classic Windows features that were removed in Windows 11. To download it, open your browser and search for ExplorerPatcher GitHub. Open the first result you see. And once the page loads, scroll down until you reach this section. From here, click on the link that takes you to the Releases page. Make sure you're downloading the latest version. Scroll a bit further and you'll see two files, setup.exe and armsetup.exe. Simply download the one that matches your system architecture. Give it a few seconds, and once the download finishes, you're good to go. Now, before we install anything, this next step is very important, so please don't skip it. We need to create a system restore point. This gives you a safety net. If anything doesn't behave the way you expect, you can easily roll your system back to how it was before. Click on the Windows search icon and type Create a Restore Point, then open it. If this is your first time here, you may need to turn on System Protection first. In the System Properties window, select Local Disk C, then click on Configure. Choose Turn on System Protection, then use the slider to set how much disk space Windows can use for restore points. Once that's done, click Apply, and then OK. Now with Local Disk C still selected, click on Create. Give the restore point a clear name, something like ExplorerPatcher Restore Point. Then click Create. Wait a few seconds until you see the confirmation message, and once that's done, you can close the window. Anytime you want to undo these changes, you can simply return here, click System Restore. Choose that restore point, and follow the on-screen instructions. Now we're good to go. Navigate to where you downloaded the file and double-click on setup.exe. You may see a Windows Defender warning pop up. That's completely normal because this tool modifies Windows shell behavior. Click on More Info, then choose Run Anyway. The installation only takes a few seconds, and once it's done, you may notice small changes in the taskbar appearance. That's how you know ExplorerPatcher is now active. Now comes the fun part, actually moving the taskbar. Right-click on a blank area of the taskbar and select Properties. In the Properties window, look for the option called Primary Taskbar Location on Screen. Click on the drop-down and choose where you want the taskbar to appear, whether that's top, left, or right. Once you've made your selection, click on Restart File Explorer to apply the changes. Give it a second, and there you go. Your taskbar has successfully moved to its new position. You can repeat these steps anytime if you want to change it again. And that's it. That's how you can change the taskbar position in Windows 11. even though Microsoft removed the option by default. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Zimist Coded. Also, feel free to check out other Windows tips and tutorials on the channel. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.